Uh, we might have an issue. See this? What the you, don't you see? Do you see what the fuck has happened to all these names?
Yo, hold on. Been disconnected. Error 2007. Damn. Let me rejoin. Let's see those names. What the hell did you do?
I don't know.
What did you do?
I don't know what I did.
My server is so good it broke your installation of Kali Linux.
Wait, what does what? Is that the terminal? Don't mind the name of the virtual box.
Anyway, chat, what's up? We're just chatting today.
Yeah. Well, I tried to break into this guy's.
Yeah, I currently have someone who is authorized to break into my server and someone who is not authorized to break into my server trying to break into my server. So that's wild. They keep trying to run XMLRPC. Joke's on them. I don't have PHP. So it's never going to happen. See, I'm immune to all of this shit as long as I never have any way to execute code on the server. Yes, the ads. I forgot I did that, honestly. But it's good to see that it's working.
Dude, I'm getting so freaky with this.
I should probably open my chat, huh? 0
Should
out of
probably
10
open.
streamer. Ah, I see you now.
Are you even able to detect what I'm doing on your end?
You are currently trying to open etc. password and etc. issue.
I'm just running an automated scan at this point.
Yeah, it's hitting you with a lot of 400s.
Oh yeah, it is like 404 and 100 right now, bro.
Because I think Nginx returns bad request if if the file you request goes above the root of the virtual host. And since all of my virtual hosts have defined roots, I don't think it's very likely. It has randomized user strings or user agents. Unless you're using Lunascape.
Who the fuck?
I saw Ice Weasel too. Let's
That's
download
an
Ice
amazing
Weasel.
unicorn.
Ice Weasel.
God damn it.
It's a
Wait, let me
rebranded
nmap
free
you.
software version of Firefox. So apparently they had a trademark dispute with Firefox, and then they eventually killed it because they were just like, fuck it, we're going back to Firefox. What about Lunascape? That sounds fake. Fast, secure, privacy-focused web browser with multi-engine support.
Buddy, I have a question.
Oh no, it's a Web3 browser.
Buddy, I have a question.
What's up?
Can you take a look at my screen real quick?
Yeah, what about it?
These are a lot of open ports, buddy.
I mean, yeah, I have to have IMAP open to use IMAP.
I mean, yeah, that IMAP I do understand. It's just I'm feeling a bit freaky with these ports right now. Oh my God, this looks so cursed at the top because of the fucking fuck name.
Wait, I just realized it said Skippity.
Dude, look at where I'm running it from. Look at what I named my VirtualBox user.
Fucking course you named your fucking VirtualBox Freaky Skibbity.
His full name is Freaky Skibbity Sheldon.
The Sheldon is hidden. Hey Kong, what's up?
Somewhere.
We're currently just chatting while Oliver tries to break into my server, and also somebody else who is not Oliver also tries to break into my server.
Yeah, what the fuck are they doing here? Shit, you trying to get into
Oliver
my
has
shit?
permission to break into my server, the other guy does not. So that's grand. You know what it probably is? I started an enumeration of CVEs, and they're probably still running them. I can't look anymore though because I already burnt my searches. So sad. Playing
So sassy, just like
D3? D3? The hell is D3?
something.
Diablo 3, that'll do it. When I saw D3, I interpreted that as D 3 times. And I was like, what the fuck has D 3 times?
Something.
What? My proxy died.
I ate it. My bad.
Un is a prefix. All right. I'm trying to set up a new proxy for my my server.
Get hit. God damn it. I did provide you with a template, you fucker.
See, my shit is secure because there's literally nothing on it. The most crazy shit I have on my server is the fucking like web page I asked you to try to exploit. It's literally just a JavaScript app. That's right. I delved into the hellish abomination that is JavaScript. How the fuck do I configure this? I have to read so much. Yeah. How do I do the thing?
Shit.
Hmm. There are so many things. Dude, this page is so long that if I scroll down, the bar only moves down 1 pixel. Oh man. I'm
You good?
gonna need to do more ibuprofen for this shit.
Yeah, you are.
For
Uh,
reference, I already have a migraine. And I'm
I'm not
about
the
to
ish.
read documentation that is so long, I can scroll down at the maximum speed for probably about half a minute before hitting the bottom of the page.
Do you feel happy about that?
There is so much text here. I just want to know how to set up a fucking proxy, dude. Like, shit, dude. Starter guide. It's still really fucking long. Oh, God. Proxying. It doesn't have any feet. It doesn't have an example configuration.
So zesty, just like
Uh,
come on, man.
isn't there like more than one mode?
Oh my god, dude, we're zooming right now.
Yep.
I wonder what you see on your end.
I mean, it's gonna look pretty similar to that.
That's it. We're going nuclear. God damn it.
Ripbozo.
I have an idea.
Copy selection, putting it straight into Google. Why not?
Why not? Let's see.
I have legitimately no idea what I'm doing.
What?
Is this gonna work, or am I about to spend like 3 hours configuring a reverse proxy that isn't going to work? I don't actually know what the IP of my Nginx instance is. I should know this, but I don't.
That's it. Were you going aggressive mode? We're going sicko mode.
I don't know what this does, but we're gonna put it in there anyway, because that's what it says to do. All right, now we're gonna test this. So let's up it again and see if it just fucking dies. It died immediately.
Ibuprofen?
I mean, that is fair.
That's it. I'm gonna bust all over your server now.
The configuration file is owned by root, so obviously it's not gonna be able to open it.
That's it. I'm busting all over your server now.
What?
I'm just using GoBuster.
Ah, shit. Getting busted upon.
Busted.
Why is it still not able to open this? Loading success. Let's fucking go. All right, we've made basic. Profaning. I'm 200 milligrams in, and by the end of stream, we're probably going to take another 200 milligrams.
Oh, Jover. Wish I could just use this.
This is the most ass config. That is all. Does this have a static IP?
Alright.
It does have a static IP. All right. We're going to duplicate this rule. We're going to make these ones not the thing. We're going to do this. To get rid of this rule that masquerades this and see what happens. Is it going to work? Probably not. Do I care? Yes. That is all. We are going to see what happens. It's funny too because you're currently using Nginx, which I'm about to take offline.
No! No! Please! Have mercy on me!
It's dead.
Yeah, I can tell.
So
I'm
is
not
my
getting
website. This is so sad.
God damn.
Our proxy already failed. Let's fucking go, dude. The one thing I downloaded this for doesn't work. Man, how the fuck am I supposed to deal with this?
How am I supposed to do it now?
It says it works. What do I mean? It doesn't work. That proxy doesn't. It's not running the thing. It could be that I need to do the masquerade still, in which case I haven't solved anything by installing proxy.
What if I just straight up knock your shit offline?
I mean, it's already offline, so
True.
can't really do much worse than it already is.
I'm gonna hack your shit, bro.
So now the only difference is that HTTPS doesn't work. So it still doesn't work. All right. A proxy doesn't solve the problem I have. This is so sad.
Steve Jobs like my freaky skibbity Sheldon.
My mouth moves a little. Yeah, so this specific model doesn't have audio-based tracking. It only has like actual mouth tracking. And VBridge is a little bit shit at actually doing that. It's a little bit better now, but it's still not going to be very much mouth movement. I've tried to fix this a lot of times. It just doesn't happen. I could make an app to like insert more of it, but that sounds like even more headache. And the ibuprofen hasn't kicked in yet. All right, my website should be back online. You can go back to blasting it. That proxy doesn't work. I mean, what I'm trying to do must be possible. It's just, can I do it without it being an absolute shitter to run? And the answer is probably no. Either that, or I can build my own Docker container. I'll probably have to do. I probably have to actually set up my own very specific Docker container.
Guess what?
Ah.
I'm gonna hacker man you.
No. And how do I do this? Because the problem is I have to use Masquerade or else the return traffic doesn't make it back to the tunnel. And then no connection is possible. But because I'm using Masquerade, there's no tagging of IPs. And such information isn't possible to obtain.
No, fuck that. I'm in here.
Uh,
Do I want to ignore the 404 code? Yeah, I do. Because, you know, I'm a special fuck off. For fuck's sake.
you having more
How
Linux troubles there, Linux boy?
I'm gonna kill myself. Shut up. I'm logging the fuck in.
Okay,
Attention,
he's been awake for long
following
enough
game.
now that he actually knows what to do. Sorry, does the bar at the top say it's currently February 29th?
I think so. I don't know, man. Take a look at
It's so cursed. Wait, can you just open Firefox for me?
Sure.
I just want to see what happens. It all looks
Firefox opens
normal.
fine. It all looks fine here.
I was kind of hoping it would be a little bit fucked.
I mean, take a look here. Look at the bottom here. Look at that.
Freak physique skibbity shall do.
What the fuck happened?
What did you do?
I don't know what I did. That's the thing. An ass.
Remember the operating system I was talking about earlier? Maybe you already made it.
I think with here. Yeah, no, I think.
Wait, you should install Super Tux Kart.
On this?
Yeah.
You use a mask? Rookie, I use an ass. God. Wait, where is it? Where the fuck is it?
How much you want to bet I'm getting an insane amount of spam now?
Oh, you
Just a
fucking legend.
generational amount of spam. There's a pretty decent chance, actually. Yeah. But soon. But soon! If my mail server is still online, sometimes it crashes. It's normal, don't worry about it. What is on this network? What network are these a part of? Hold on. Oh. I should probably change these not to be on the same network. I have so
Chat, what the
much
fuck happened to my Linux install?
here. Can you go back to the NAS tab?
Wait, where the fuck was that? There.
I just want to take a little screenshot for chat. Chat.
Gotta see this.
This is what this guy is looking at.
God damn it, man.
This is his Linux. What did he do? Physique skibbity shell do.
You see nothing. Come on, man. Let me. Come on, man. Let me.
This is what using Linux looks like.
Average Linux experience. Where to go?
You know, I've had a lot of people tell me Windows or Linux doesn't need to repair itself like Windows, but I think yours does. Getting a little freaky. A little too freaky, even.
Dude, I have an idea.
Hmm?
Watch. God damn it. I was expecting.
So I have an annoying issue with my
Was good.
system here is I can join multiple networks on Docker only after the container has started. So if a container is part of two networks, I have to set it up as a stack. I really should get a better container orchestration system. This one sucks.
Can you
It's
tell I'm more awake now?
yeah.
My attacks are getting more advanced.
You're actually targeting the correct pages now.
Okay, that didn't work. Can I side this shit?
I'm going to assume that every time you clear the console, it's because you made a very embarrassing typo.
Yes, that is in fact what I do when I clear the car. Is so hide my mistakes. There's a lot of them, I'll tell you, Vine.
Don't worry, I'm uninstalling her proxy. It hasn't worked, so I'm deleting it. Die, how proxy. I mean, maybe I can just fix this. Fucking where do I do the thing? Can I change this?
Alright, let me try doing
Is that a
this.
thing I can do, or is the network immutable once it's created? Chat, does anybody know if you can edit a Docker network? You must remove it and recreate it with the new IP parameters. Fuck you, Docker. That's gonna waste so much fucking time. God damn it. So the problem with that is that whenever you delete a Docker network, you have to remove all of the containers that were on that network and then add them again to the new network with the same name. And it's really annoying. Or, hear me out. What if I just don't do that? That's right. I've got a new plan.
You're not giving me access to a Linux system. I will fuck it up. Okay, you're not even loading. Shit.
We
Chat,
don't put in
chat, don't look.
IPv6 because we don't like IPv6. IPv6
Chat,
is
don't
shit.
look. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. Uh,
Chat, you saw that, right?
oopsies. I promise I'm a professional. Could you use nuclei? I'm using nuclei. Vulnerabilities, default login. This is the right one. There we go. I give you. No, that's it. We're not using you anymore.
I'm so annoyed. I have to redo all of the configuration I just set because my CSRF token is now invalid.
All right. Okay, you know what? I'm killing myself.
You make another typo.
Yeah. 2 times in a row now.
Networks have overlapping IPv4. No, the fuck it doesn't. There's not another network on this. Oh shit, there is a new network on this. Fuck me. Okay. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. I can't make my network have .69 in it. Apparently I already did that. Is there even anything on this network? No. I could have made it .69 chat. Missed opportunity.
You're such a fake. I'm going to kill you.
Well, at least I won't. I mean, I already don't have to pay taxes, so.
Man, I wish. I wish I could commit tax evasion.
I just haven't made enough money to pay taxes.
Damn, I mean, as you don't have to pay taxes, man. Can you let me use my shit?
Dude, my Docker folder is about to get so fucking tiny. I have like 15 gigabytes of shit to remove. Is this one unused? I think this one is used. No, it's not. All right. How many terabytes am I about to free? Find out. cd var docker. cd var etc docker. du hd1. It is not this. Du hd1. It is var. I don't know where in var. It's var lib docker. Okay. So my overlay 2 folder is 45 gigabytes. But when I remove all of these images, it now is 39 gigabytes. Oh, I could have removed this too. Apparently I missed this one. Images referenced in multiple repositories. And cool. All right. My new plan. I have this new network. If I just come in here and attach you this network. Well, that hasn't worked. I need to attach it to a network with a specific IP. Docker join container to network with specific ID.
You're actually making me lock in for the first time.
Wait, I forgot to. God damn it! I forgot to specify its IP. So now I have to remove it from the network again. Oh, that's the misery. I don't remember what the gateway IP is. Wait, that's not the IPv4 gateway. It's still .69 because I forgot to do it. Address already in use, so I can't make the container. The gateway.
most of cybersecurity is sitting here and waiting for something to be done.
Yep. Only one error.
What is my reward for fighting the flag?
Um, I will. Uh,
You good?
I will.
Sloppy toppy behind the McDonald's drive-through.
Oh no, I'll give you super timeout.
What? Oh man, alright. Fuck you then.
They never expect the super timeout. I mean, if you think about it, you will have successfully hacked me.
That is true.
Sorry, can we take a second to appreciate you installed console and it's installing 141 dependencies?
Don't ask. Don't fucking ask.
Linux is a nightmare.
It's so fucking ass.
You try to install NeoFetch and it installs like fucking 35 megabytes of dependencies to show the image.
You try to download a simple fucking tool and it downloads the entire internet.
when you try to install
Alright.
Nano and it installs fucking 500 megabytes of dependencies.
I think this script is done.
I don't mean to alarm you, but you didn't install console. You installed Kusol.
No, it's just console right there. No, wait.
Where
I see what
where
you
is the N?
You're so fucking right.
I think there's something wrong with
Okay.
the fonts.
I don't know. It seems normal to me. Yeah. Totally normal. Dude. Alright, I think I'm ready now. So we do that. And I think I have this ready. Let me just take a look at that. There we go. You're running Bash, aren't you? Yeah, that's great. SH. freaky? I love getting freaky.
Sorry, have you named the subdirectory freaky?
Perchance I have. What? Huh?
Damn.
I spent so long on that script.
Do you need to download it from GitHub?
No. I wish though. I wish it was a. Wait, is there any good ones on GitHub actually? Hold up. Fuck.
Hmm. Typical GitHub interaction. Do I even check my GitHub issues?
Fucking hate GitHub.
Damn. No replies.
Fuck you, GitHub.
Well, it's more about the maintainers on this.
That didn't work. Can I use you instead? 400, 400. Oh my god. God damn it. No, I don't want to use you. Fuck off.
Wait, they actually did see my report. They labeled it bug and then didn't reply. To
Get bugged.
be fair, that's the main thing I wanted, was for them to just know about it. As funny as it is to be able to upload an MP3 file for your site's logo.
Alright, now we just gotta sit here and do the waiting game. My favorite game. God, I just want to kill myself.
So I don't mean to alarm you, but it's not going to give you anything on 80. You have to send it 443.
Kill me then. Kill me. God damn it. Alright, fine. That's how you want to be.
I'm honestly kind of surprised that one of my issues hasn't gotten a response yet. Because their released version of this library doesn't work because they haven't updated the release in like 2 years. So it still doesn't work. Remember when I said 2 years? I was slightly wrong. It was last published December 14th, 2022.
Hear me out. This might not even work, but you saw nothing.
I did.
Oh,
I saw
that was a
all of the
misinput.
things.
Misinput. 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 God damn. Chat. Wait, what if I just do kill yourself? You're so gay.
But it worked.
Fact, you're not even installed yet.
Run sudo apt auto remove. Those packages are going to be using a lot of disk space.
Allah does not concern himself with disk space.
Sorry, did you just install that from apt and it says it's outdated?
Man, I love Linux.
Linux is a never-ending nightmare.
You already have amazing security because you want to kill yourself every time to use Linux.
Linux is very, very miserable.
I'm so
I
fucking
just want to
miserable.
forward packets and keep the original IP, and that's not possible. Wonder if it would work if I put it on the same container network. But I don't even think I could do that. Can I do that? I don't think so. Fucking network. No. Wait. Yes? Chat? Can I just do the thing and it work?
You gonna give me a
Nope.
bruh. So fun.
Failed stopping container. How about you stop being a bitch?
What if I just curl?
Hold on.
Just
Nginx is currently dead.
oh, instead of I'm not getting a response.
I also need
I'm
to
kicking it.
edit the wire guard rules again.
So I'm
So
just kicking a dead horse.
you are currently kicking a dead horse. I have to erase this rule and maybe, if we're very lucky, it might maybe work.
All
If we're
right,
lucky.
you know what happens now.
It doesn't work. 8? No, it doesn't work. But wait, no, it doesn't work. But what if it does work?
What if it does?
Vsauce,
Imagine
Michael
that.
here. What if it does work?
Connection.
Wait,
That's I'm hacking you.
it does work. Chat? We're in. Well, fuck the masquerade rules. This is way easier. Just put everything on the same container's network. There are certainly no problems with security here.
No, totally not. You know what? That's it.
Actually, really, the one thing I was looking to do is actually working, so
Bend over.
no,
Okay.
I can't. I'm in a chair at the moment. What is a request I can make that will not fail? This works. Fuck else can I try? I want to see if it works with other, like if the remaining configuration still works. Um, what the fuck is this one? What is running? That's not right. What is running here? Insecure website. I don't care. Let me in. Let me in. Is running on this? There's nothing running on it. Got a notification. Simply says, "You're a bitch." Damn.
God, this guy has horrible cybersecurity. I can't even get in. Chat, call him a stinker.
Are they
Chat,
gonna update my credit report to send every single day? I do not want that. What the fuck?
chat, this guy's gay.
Damn. News to me. Or is it? It is.
Why the fuck did I get recommended a Darman video?
Remember, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives.
What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Teacher uses AI robots to catch cheaters?
Dude, look, I still maintain that the best Darman video is the one where like the fucking kid is like teasing this other kid about his like dead dad, and then kid one fucking like starts beating the shit out of kid two, and it cuts back and he's like completely bloodied. That was the singular best Darman moment, and I don't think he's ever gone there again.
I don't think they're even doing like inspirational things anymore.
We're not just telling stories, we're ending lives. Cuts to the like bloody guy.
So tell me, what the fuck? So I'm looking here. What message? What message is cop show at Darman's house at 2 a.m. supposed to portray? What the fuck does that mean?
I've put too many R's in Darman and one too few N's in Darman.
What does it mean?
I love this like AI thumbnail that they've done where it's just like they clearly just like phoned it in. They're just like, fuck it, we don't care anymore. He has 27 million subscribers. He doesn't care anymore.
What the fuck is this? Rich kid has everything except one thing. The only rich team has AI.
Billionaire and pizza boy fall in love. What?
Darman, what the fuck are you smoking?
Girl hides face after being called ugly. They forgot to put the card where it says like fucking girl hides face. You wouldn't believe what happens next. It's like the only thumbnail that they haven't put the little card in it. Did they actually just forget?
Darman, what the fuck are you smoking?
Poor girl wants to be Oscar-winning film director. Darman Studios.
Man, fuck you, Darman.
Is that like a cardboard set in the background? The first thing I thought of was Pinely. They're like the cardboard drawings. Popular girl is secret anime cosplayer. Featuring Sniper Wolf. Oh no.
God.
It's not Darman.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah, I will.
Stepmother cyberbullies her daughter. The sad thing is, this is just real. This has happened before. Mafia son falls for cop's girl. Toxic dads try to tear couple apart. Darman Studios. Girl mocked for loving her Labubu. I mean, have you seen them? Like,
Should I cannot make this shit up, man.
have you seen these things? They're fucking. They're wacky.
Dude, I'm like so sure we all died in like 2020. This is fucking hell. This shit is so fucking ass. It's so ass. All of it. Please don't make it anymore.
I kind of wish that Darman would just release one video where it's just like, like teens hate girl for liking Minecraft or whatever, and then instead of being like an underdog story where like the Minecraft player is like, oh, you should respect other people's game choice. I just want one where he's like, you know what, fuck it, we're taking the side of the evil people.
What the fuck is blurb?
Blurp.
Yeah.
It's a Twitch extension that allows people to play audio files. Pre-selected audio files. I actually don't know if it's set up correctly. I should probably test it.
It costs. Oh my god, I'm gonna go so broke using all of this because Jesus Christ.
Wait, hold on. I don't think it's set up right. I just realized I need to add the source to the always audible tab. Um,
Do you authorize blurb? Yes.
wait, hold on.
Blurb would never betray me.
Don't fucking do the thing yet. It's not set up. Always audible isn't visible, is it? It is visible. So I actually need to put the full screen visible source too. So nope, not that one. Browser. Blurp full screen, but they're both full screen, so fuck you. Fuck you, Baltimore. I almost just hit stop streaming. I got jump scared by the controls menu. Theoretically, blurp now maybe works. Possibly. I should probably run a test. I need to unmute my own stream so that I can hear it.
5 bits, man.
We'll play. That did not play on the stream. Did I test?
Blurb would never betray me. Blurb would treat me right.
I did not hear any audio from that.
Maybe
That's not the right
work.
scene. I think I need to click the control audio via OBS button. That'll probably help. All right, now I can find them to 1, 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, 6.
Who's scarier, Blurp or Bing Bong?
Bing pong.
I mean, he is on the list. Blurp.
Why does it play
Blurp would never do me
another
dirty.
sound first?
I don't know. Blurp.
Does it happen for all of them? What if I play like the skull trumpet? Maybe I'm not supposed to have both?
Just do it!
I suppose that works. But I don't know how to make it not start with the
Blurp. Blurp would treat me right.
Wait, did it
Never mind,
delete
fuck you, Blurp.
my customizations? Oh, it just didn't load the first time.
Chat. Fuck. Never mind.
Just do it!
Why is it playing that first sound though?
It's blurping around.
It's blurping one crazy. Let's try doing it from my own stream page. Uh
Whoa! That's interesting, but I sure don't care.
You think I can start a fire sale?
You could.
I can't. This is so sad. I mean, I can. I could just do it through the Blurp website, but I can't use the redeem to do it.
Chat, you know what I'm going to do?
Hmm,
I'm going to bed. It's late as hell for me.
that is fair. I might actually go to bed here in a bit too. I just need
I
to.
will continue. Let me know once the Nginx service back up so I can continue probing at it.
Oh, it is. Hey,
It is
Kenyon.
alright. Well, I'm gonna see if I can find the flag on it tomorrow. I'm just thinking, if I could try using a different method because I'm just using basic ass Kali Linux methods, which won't really work anymore because we've moved past 2010 cybersecurity.
See, my cybersecurity is that my shit doesn't work to begin with.
I mean, we struggled for like an hour or two because my fucking DNS server was not set up properly.
Yeah, I still don't know why the DNS is broken. Like, there's still half the world doesn't resolve correctly, and I don't have any clue why.
And now my fonts are broken, so I don't have a mass anymore. I have an ass.
My guess is that most of them query 1111, and for some reason 1111 um doesn't want to resolve my website.
I think when I ran sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade, it fucked with the uh fonts.
That sounds unlikely, but all right.
I don't know, man. I don't know what happened.
I'm just a new soul in this strange world, hoping I could give and take. Well,
Maybe
we have
what
a
could
lot of giving and taking here.
yeah, I take it from the
Like this guy, I'm about to give him $20.
what?
20 goon dollars, that is.
I fucking love goon dollars, man.
It's gonna be really funny if you haven't looked at the name of the currency yet, because
You know what I could do? I could just do a fucking automated. No, I'm
goon
not doing
what?
automated. Automated would.
Our currency is currently called goon dollars. See, every month we do an emote vote where everybody chooses the emotes that are currently in rotation, as well as the name and icon of the channel point redeems, or the channel point currency. Our previous vote on the 26th, chat decided that they wanted the channel points to be named Goon Dollars.
Goon dollar
And so they
points.
are.
I'm innocent.
I'm pretty sure it was your idea, so you are anything but innocent.
Shut the fuck up. I'm an innocent man.
Guilty as charged. Emperor Goon. Guilty.
God damn it. Emperor Goodness.
Also,
Okay, I'm going to bed now.
all right. Good night. Good morning, actually.
Good night,
It's
people.
the middle of the morning, isn't it?
It's like it's like 3:30 almost.
Good early.
Good. That's a little bit fucking early. My God, it's early. Fuck. Alright, I'm going to bed now. Fuck all of you.
See ya.
Die. All of you burn out. Actually, you know what? I love y'all, but like, I just have a hatred for Linux now.
That's fair. Linux is pain.
For my final departing message,
Give me 1 minute.
run
Kenyon,
everything
I'll do
as
that.
root.
Run everything as root. That is great advice.
Emperor Goon out.
Emperor Goon out. All right, give me 1 second. It's gonna take a little. It's a little bit involved to swap between 2D and 3D because I can't actually track on both of them at once. No, no, it's fine. I can move to the first one. Let me refund that second one. Review requests. So I'm going to refend this one. All right. It's not automatic to switch between. I mean, it is technically automatic. It's just not working because it's a little bit. It's complicated to switch between 2D and 3D. Because I can't track both at once, so I actually have to manually change the tracking over. So I'm 3D now. I'm also very large. There we go. Yeah, I have to manually do the thing. It's not very difficult. It just takes a second. Why am I still too high? I'm still too high. Too high. Look at this. Perfect. At slightly less perfect. Oh dear. Hold on. If I press 5, all of my problems go away. Sick. But yes, now I must say, have given me an extra potent power that I didn't previously have. See, I'm capable of a lot more with this model than I am with the Live 2D model, because one thing is available that the Live 2D model doesn't have. None of the Live 2D models actually have. That's right. I have to wait for Vignon to open, but when it opens, prepare for your mind to be blown. A level of interaction I was going to say never before seen on the Asaria VT channel, but that's not entirely true. It has been seen before, it just hasn't been seen in a while. I look like Felix? I mean, you're not wrong. Honestly, a Felix outfit would be pretty cool. But, are you ready? Bang. That's right. Bang. I have the powers of gesticulation. I can point. I can do whatever this is. He can jork us. No. I can't do that. That's not in my power. If I attempt to do that, I get banned. So I can't do that one. But no, I'm just gonna get banned. I mean, we could find a way. See this? This is Borger pose. Yeah. I used to have a lot more control actually with Vignon. Maybe I'll actually set up what is a good jork pose. Kong has been here for a while. When did you follow Kong? Since January 4th. I don't have any bots that do that. But I can see it because I have 7 TV. So I can just click. Ah. Can now gesticulate. I have to be so the major downside of VRM 3D is I have to be careful because if I go like back like this, you can see how the skirt's doing one crazy. It is surprisingly easy to accidentally flash chat. So I have to be aware of that. Although we're very deliberate about this. We do have underwear. Very important. So it's getting a boner. It'd have to be one crazy hard on. That's distance right there. Look at the distance. I can't. The other problem is I have to like move around a lot more. This is my model. Oh, calm down. Oi. This is what happens. This is the problem. If I go down at all, this is what happens. There. Now it can't happen. Now my legs will break whenever I... Cool. See, now we don't have to worry about it. Everything is fine. Everything is grand. But yes. I actually used to only have VRM models. Proof underwear? No. I used to only have VRM models, and now I typically only use live 2D models. It's a little bit easier to like not look like an idiot with live 2D models, because my movement is a hell of a lot more constrained than it is with my VRM 3D, but I can do a lot more with VRM 3D because I can point. I can be like, no, I point. I mean, that's accurate, but no, you. Change to afraid of women? Okay. For reference, the so you are using the wrong thing. Let me show you what if you do model change, we get a new Firefox window here. So I do have the ability to automatically do this. But you are using the wrong term. So let me show what it is looking for. I think this is visible. It looks visible. So if we come down to the Afraid of Women model, here it is. You need to send one of these, one of the model change triggers, and not the title of the model. I can do this one for you. Not an issue. I can just run it. There we go. It'll take a second to load. And now, I'm the new model. Only I can run NC, so don't get too excited. But yeah, we can not the right one. Sorry, there's a little bit of an organizational nightmare. I have two different computers open. Yeah, I have the I'm Scared of Women shirt on. So if you don't know the lore, there is lore. This shirt is the result of an event I did with Oliver, who was here previously. We went on AliExpress and both selected 10 items that we thought was a little bit funny. And we had chat vote on which items they thought were best. And the deal we made is that we would both get this shirt. I would get it as an outfit for Dusk, and he would buy the shirt and wear it on his next stream. So that's the rationale behind the I'm Scared of Women shirt. We thought it was very funny. Who dares send me Samsung notification? The hell? Okay. But yes, that is where's the real window? There's so many fake windows. Okay. But yeah, it's looking for one of these. You can send either of these. That is gonna get really annoying. Somebody's walking around downstairs, so it keeps setting off the cameras. But yes. This is the funny thing is This is actually not a an exhaustive list of models. There's one model, specifically one model, that isn't in the list. The secret model, if you will. Might be thinking, oh, is it like crazy? Is there like beef? No, I forgot to put it in the model list. Oopsies. So if I can show you that model by switching to it. It is not in the quick list. But yes, it is this model. That's right. I trying to do the tracking while looking over at the screen is not going well. But this is the other model. This is a character in a serious story. But the game was canceled, so he hasn't seen much movement in the public eye. Kitten, yes. Kitten. Slightly going on with this lean. Hold on. Why still leaning? Why still? Okay, we fixed it. But yes, he is he's a guy. He's one of the guys of all time. Do I still have this website online? Hold on. I don't know if this website still exists. Yeah, no, it's dead. I was gonna show the website that had all of the characters, but I have unfortunately updated the website to be this page. So unfortunate. Chat, the VM won't start. I've succeeded. I've made his computer blow up. This just brings back to my amazing website where the best CSS is this rectangle and the it works message is still present somehow. I should probably fix that. Let's delete the it works message. It does work, but that's no longer notable. It's gone now. Let's go. I definitely want to update this website at some point. One of the things on my to-do list is to make my website presentable. And we're working on it. It will happen one day. And we could do it right now. You could do it right now. Do I want to do it right now? Not really, but I probably should. Okay. We're going to use the same style of card as we did in the series page. So I'm going to do this. Why did I just... Oh. I didn't see the redeem. I was just like, why did I just do a little bit of jiggling? So let's see. Where is my style document? Here it is. We'll take this. This is rough. Does this work? Shit. No, it doesn't. I might have fucked it. 1 minute. Why is this broken? What did I do? Yeah, I legitimately don't know why. Oh, probably help if this said the right word, wouldn't it? These. That is not the right color, is what? Hope that's still not right. 400, 800? Full red? That looks pretty good. Now we just have to fix that the color of this is wrong. So we'll do F88. That looks okay. It looks atrocious on stream because of the color bending, but it looks fine in person. Just. And then it's the worst fucking... Oh, I have Dark Reader on, don't I? That... It doesn't look any different, actually, but this is amazing CSS. I should really probably make this look better. I should probably change the fucking paragraph spacing to not be so like wide. I gotta go about you're amazing. Thank you. I hope you decide to come back. Hope to see you again. It would be really funny if somebody managed to like break into my server and like delete all the shit that I'm doing. It'd be a little annoying. I'm sure it's possible. I'm sure somebody will eventually do it. But such is the way of having a public server. Somebody's gonna blast it eventually. We'll use red for the title. So we'll do a there should probably be some space between them, huh? I would like to change the colors to be Twitch's colors. But we will get to that in due time. Let's do another one for YouTube. These links work, right? Cool. Oh, that link diffuse is outdated. That's not where it is anymore. All right. There we go. Now this goes to my VGen. And this goes to the subsite. He should probably have a larger border, right? Or margin right 1M. So now it's not so against the wall. I'm curious to see what this looks like on mobile. Not great. iPhone 17. Hmm. I mean, to be fair, this looks atrocious on mobile too. Um, well, let's make these cards a little bit better. I am too tall. That's not the right one. There we go. See, this is just like the old days. I'm 3D and I'm doing software. Well, not really software development, but I'm doing development in general. This is just an official Stereo VT stream now. Or Stereo dev stream, actually. So what I want to do is probably change my CSS to not be so weird. So make, instead of index.css reading music style CSS, it'll load the default CSS. Okay. Okay. Don't need this, don't need this. Don't need this. Do need that. Change the title of this. Okay. I want to. We might even make the Matrix server a card-based system. Hmm. These are really large cards. Is the other thing. I might reduce their size a little bit. So font title is 1.5 EM. Font size here is 0.75 M. Has not changed much. Um. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Why are these called? There we go. It was supposed to be gold on the other site, but that is not how I want to run that. Chat, I will be back shortly. 1 minute. All right, chat. Sorry, we had the cameras were going off, but it is an authorized person. All right. Already the website looks better than it did before. It used to look like shit. Now it only looks like shit a little bit. Oh, I'm zoomed in 20%. That's probably why everything looks so large. Yeah, that looks a little bit more reasonable. I was wondering. I was like, something isn't right here. Yeah, no, that'll do it. So, make another card for our matrix server. For now, we'll include the Asaria VT matrix server and not the Willem one. Then we delete this card, which has atrocious formatting. And now everything looks okay. And very, very nicely formatted. So I do want to do something like card 2. We'll have a 225-degree gradient. So I want to do card, this is card 2, this is card, this is card 2, this is card, and this is card 2. Which should mean we have alternating gradients. Problem is they're difficult to read now. I think card 2 will reduce it to 600. It's still kind of hard to read. A little bit. Then another thing on mobile, these are going to be difficult to interact with. I actually test this because I have a phone. Actually, they're not that bad on mobile. Now, the other website is pretty bad at on mobile, but this one actually isn't too bad. At least on my Moto G Play, it looks passable, I would say. It doesn't look this bad at all. Let's see. Controls do not do anything. Hmm. Actually, the DPR is lower than I thought. So the Moto G Play has a DPR of 1.76. If I load it again, that's still not what it looks like. Actually, its viewport is not the same. It's 408 by 750. Okay, well, something has gone wrong. Why is it still not correct? 750. Okay, that's still not what it looks like. Oh well. Maybe if I refresh the page? Nope. It doesn't look that bad at all on an actual Moto G Play. Maybe the version of Firefox I'm running is kind of correcting it a little bit, but it does actually take most of the viewport area and not just like 2% of it. It also looks passable even in landscape. Now, we try slightly more difficult test. Yeah, no. So on a more hold on, let's try it on Firefox. Okay, so Firefox is definitely doing something to improve the layout of websites that are not meant for mobile. It is doing some corrections, which I have no issue with. That makes my life easier. It means that Firefox is pretty good because it just works. Whereas with things like I tried DuckDuckGo and DuckDuckGo does not do any corrections and it looks pretty shit, being honest. So it is a little bit nicer when you view this in Firefox. Um, I do eventually want to change the colors of these to be um more specific, but for the time being, uh, we will leave it as such. Or maybe we don't. Hold on. We delete is Hmm. Okay. Okay. Now what we can do is make a new one here. So start will be 404, which should be purple. End will be 808, 848. That's more towards Twitch's colors. That's not very close to Twitch's purple, actually. (9147FF). Their color. So I'm going to call that 94F. For the end of that, we will call that 61C. And for start, we'll call it 40A. No. 407. 307. Nope, 407. 205. Okay. Now for VGen, start will be 020. It'll be 060. 050. It'll be 2F2. No, 2A2. Good enough. Our very own Fuse will just get music again. and matrix will get a gray one. There we go. Going to actually reset this to 1 EM for the description text. We'll make the titles 1.75 M, which make them slightly larger. Web design is not my passion. All right. We should probably make this look better. This is not good design. We should fix this. So, first order of business is to include the upper style document, so that now I don't need to have all of the generic stuff in here. Okay, so that stays the same. These don't need to be here. Okay. So what is your type? You are P. So you are you are indent P. Hmm. I might actually replace these embeds with actual straight up images that link directly to the video. Because It makes the page load really slowly. The only one I actually have the image for is this one, though. The rest of them I don't actually have the image for. Well, let's do what we can before that, at least. So song, I want to add a slight border radius to. 1M. 1M is fine. Hmm. What is explain? Is explain ever used? Oh. I'm going to delete it then. Wait, what? Holy shit. I just realized I didn't see the 6 bits and then the 7 bits. All that time ago. That was like a few minutes after stream started and I didn't see it. I'm fake as hell. Well, thank you for the 13 bits. I looked over, I was like, wait a minute, there was a cheer. I might be slightly blind. I'm not sure if I like the format of this. One of the things I'd like to do is add a like a div class equals song number. Then I want to do song header will be display inline block. It would stop jump scaring me with shit. Okay. One thing I want to do is check how many other songs I've published. I've published a few. Okay. We should probably write these in, huh? Open this, immediately pause. Okay. Take our watch link. Perfect. I'll eventually put the other songs. There's two more. Which is Depths of Akbalor and Drenched in Melancholy. Or Died in Melancholy, not Drenched. I'll put those in eventually. But I've made significant progress, I think, in how my website looks. Now, instead of them being rectangles, they're rounded rectangles. And this is a lot nicer a page than it was yesterday. So that's pretty good. I'm probably gonna go to sleep now. I'm pretty tired. I've been awake since like 8 a.m. So I'm so tired. But everybody, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a great day. I am not going to raid. I don't think. Yeah. Chat says that it's empty, so I'm not gonna bother looking for someone to raid. If you are here, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.